Yo, what's up, traders? I hope you all had a nice trading week. I think I'll upload this on Saturday. It's now Tuesday. I just recorded the video about the indicator I made. Hopefully you've checked it out and potentially liked it and tried it out already. But I just want to make a fun little video about me trading against my own indicator right now, which is like sort of a weird dynamic, I guess. And I also noticed some nice traits of it, so I just want to highlight those. I don't necessarily still like the sort of, it's still a little bit too busy for me. I really want to make it a lot cleaner over time. But I'll do that. It's a process, right? Like it doesn't have to be perfect right now. If you like this sort of content, leaving a like, subscribe, and comment is very much appreciated. And also joining the Discord is also very welcome. We have some nice people in there. But yeah, let's go over this. Basically, this doji, like this, what I mean with it not being super clean. The signal is clean, but if I want to show it, like it's a lot cleaner like this. This doji, for instance, was super nice. Like it's at an area that it's been sort of getting rejections from for a few times already. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this is my sort of ideal scenario where I want the signal to be created, this one, which it did, which is nice, but not nice for me because I'm in a short. As you can see, like I'm in a short here. But yeah, it did leave some nice signals. This one, for instance, here it says short. So you enter here, stop loss here, and then TP is at the 3x, so like this. So let's remove the indicator for a sec so we can see it a little bit better. So this is the signal that it gave. As you can see, lovely little trade, 3x risk reward ratio. This one is super nice. Let's see if we can find another one. Of course, it's not perfect, but as you can see here in the bottom, it is profitable. In this pair and this time frame, and with my settings, like you can mess around with a lot. You can go through different time frames, you can go to different pairs, you can like mess around with the settings, and the results will change, right? But there are some settings and time frames where it's been profitable over a lot of trades. Like here, it's been profitable over 1475 trades. So yeah, that's a pretty big number, right? So it being profitable over that means it's likely profitable over a lot more. But it's always a risk, of course, trading. Let's see, this one. This one was super nice. It gave a nice little sell signal, but the TP should have been a little bit smaller. I'm just looking for the ones that stand out to me, right? Um, like this one is for me textbook as well. Nice area, an area that I actually already drew up. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and like in the past even more. So as soon as you get like a perfect doji, like this one is perfect, like textbook. Yeah, I would be interested in selling. However, it didn't go super far. Well, the stop loss is very high now, never mind. Like if I do the stop loss like this, a little bit above it, you still would have had like a 2.5 risk reward. If you would have it even tighter, you would have had like over 3. But yeah, the indicator is basically built to have like 50 pips above the high of the doji or the low, depending on where you go for. But you can set up those settings. You can mess around with these settings as well, which will change the sort of dynamic. But yeah, this is a textbook trade for the indicator as well. And yeah, I just want to make it better where it will have less signals of a higher quality. So it will like have this one and have this one, for instance, potentially this one. I think it has it, but yeah, it has this one. Nice little buy. This is a nice little trade as well. But of course, there are some trades that aren't profitable in there as well. These are the ones that I do like. Yeah, I did hit the TP here. You can also like remove the sort of zone so it gets a lot cleaner. But yeah, this is a signal. Nice little doji on this area and nice little 3x risk to reward. So You can even, like, if you tighten the stop loss, like to whatever 20 pips or something above or under, right? The TP is automatically on 3 with the settings, but you could even go for more. Like this would be like a 6 risk reward at the max. If you have like a little bit, this is still nice little room. Not too much, but not. It's still solid. I often go for these sort of trades, and then you have like a nice little risk reward ratio of like 5 plus, which is amazing. Let's see if there are any other standouts. But yeah, I traded against my own strategy, my own indicator, because after this one, I was like in doubt if I should leave the trade, if I should exit. It was like 6 o'clock yesterday. Um, yeah, it was at like one risk reward ratio, like 1x, or maybe a little bit more. But I decided not, and now I'm at break even again. So I should have listened, I guess, this time. But yeah, I guess this is just a video that I want to make. Just highlight some trades, show the indicator a little bit more, and yeah, I hope you guys like this sort of content, and checked out the indicator. If you haven't yet, feel free to check it out. I put a link in the description, and it's very much a work in progress. So yeah, don't expect perfect results or anything, but I think if you use it and like be selective with the signals, I think it can be a really nice indicator, and especially if we tune it over time. So yeah, that's basically it for today. I hope to see you all in the Discord. Subscribing is very much appreciated. Commenting, liking, all that good stuff. And I hope you all have a lovely weekend. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.